Hi everyone. We recently received the very exciting Lone Rider Motolights, and as you can see they look absolutely stunning on our motorbikes, both my 800 GS and Peter's 1300 GS Trophy. Not only do these lights look great, but they also add a lot of additional safety because they're super bright, both in daytime and nighttime running conditions, adding a lot of additional visibility to other road users.
The installation of this Motolights is very easy. Everything you need comes in the box, and these lights work with your CAN bus system of your bike. So Lone Rider have already created a lot of motor CAN systems for a lot of different bikes. Here is a list of all the bikes that they have already supplied. But good news, if your bike is not on the list, but your bike do have a CAN bus system, you can still use the Hex Easy CAN. So you can go on the website of Hex and just select your bike, the make of your bike, and you can select your Hex Easy CAN system and it will work with the bike. Unfortunately, these lights doesn't work without CAN bus, so you definitely need that on the bike to be able to get these lights to work. Lone Rider also supplied quite a number of mounting brackets for these bikes. My bike, I have the R1300 GS under nose mount brackets, and they are busy developing more brackets for more bikes on the market. Adele's bike at this stage have an aftermarket bracket. We will later install the Lone Rider brackets when we get the crash bar protection. But for now, they look great and we are very happy with them.
The integrated daytime running lights, light ring, enhances your bike's appearance while increasing visibility to other road users. For a more customized look and functionality, it can be toggled between amber and white with 10 adjustable power levels or turned off entirely. The lower 4 LEDs provide a strong and wide beam to increase visibility closer to the bike. The upper 4 LEDs provide a strong and long beam as you can see further, and the center LED focuses the beam 2 degrees from the exceptional reach. One lugs at 700 meter, 2,300 feet.
For temperature control, the motorcycle lights are equipped with large, high-performing heat sinks to keep them cool during long usage. After installation, you need to customize and set up your Lone Rider Motolights. Thanks to the included motor CAN, you can access and customize the Lone Rider Motolights according to your needs and preferences. You can change the color of the daytime running light ring from amber to white, and you can also change the power output for day and night modes. You can also adjust the speed blending technology and much more. To get the setup right, I would suggest you follow the Lone Rider setup video. The link is in the comments below. You need to find the ideal spot with a solid wall about 50 meters away from the bike. Next, you have to activate your spotlight alone, and you do that by making use of the Hex software application on your laptop connected to your bike. All that is left now is to point your bike straight to the wall in an upright position. Let someone sit on the bike to get the setup on the spotlight spot on. Adjust your spots until you see just one single spot, about 1 meter away from the ground. Once you got that, remember to tight the Lone Rider Motolights to the brackets and test again. Here are a few practical examples of while riding what you can do and what you see with your Motolights. So one of the very nice features of this Lone Rider lights is, I'm going to show you now, I've got both bikes running and they've got their daytime running lights on at the moment. So what you can do is on your wonder wheel you can press it to the left side until it flashes, and then you can adjust the intensity or the brightness of your lower beam, and you can do that all while riding until it is light. I'm going to do the same for Adele's bike. Check it out. Flashes, and then you can turn it up until it is fully bright, which is very nice. Look at that, it is so bright, probably too bright for a camera. If you switch off the bike, it's probably going to keep that setting, so let's see. Yeah. So you can push it to the side until it flashes. It flashes and now I can turn it back off. This one, push it to the side until it flashes and now you can turn it off. Very nice feature. While riding, suddenly your weather changed and suddenly you have to change your lights so that the people can see you. You can do it from your bike, from your wonder wheel, which is a great feature. Okay, let's turn this sheet down. Another cool feature of the Lone Rider Motolights is you can set your daytime running lights to flash with your indicators. To make your bike more visible while riding and passing other vehicles, you can activate the flash and pass feature. Here is a demonstration of the difference in brightness between the wide beam and the high beam lights for both Adele's and my bike.
So why don't you get your Lone Rider Motolights today? They come with amber and white daytime running light options, EU-approved road legal certification, speed blending technology, full customization functionality, and high power output of an insane reach.
The Lone Rider Motolights not just enhances the overall safety of your motorcycle, they look fantastic on any motorcycle, and it surely will turn heads wherever you go.